Hi everyone, here we are at Target in their home decor area. Let's take a look. Oh, I'm loving this clock. Okay, so this one down here is $35. Then you have this one. They're pretty big. That one's 30. And that one here is 30. So this slightly smaller one, I'm liking that wood. That's 25. And look at this one. So I believe that's 25. Let me just scan these wall clocks for you. And they have these. These are $12.99, $13. These are regular alarm clocks. So we have this candle holder over here. This is $25. Isn't that pretty? Look at that plant up there. Let's see how much that is. $25 for those. Very nice. And then you have these pillows down here. These pillows are $25. Aren't they nice? There's the bigger one, 20. That one. Then these are wood flowers. And they're made of paper, almost foam. Very pretty. Threshold solar flower wreath, handcrafted, $45. Isn't that beautiful? Then you have this one. Let's see, that's ceramic. $25 for that one. Then you have this basket over here, hand-woven basket for $5. Oh, look at these. $15 for those candle holders. And then these are also $15. Aren't they pretty? Then you have these. Okay, that's $25. And this one is $20. And look at this big vase. I don't dare pick that up. And then this is made of marble. It's a marble box. Wow, that's real heavy. That's $25. Some more candle holders there. Some decorative plants. Artificial plants, and I'm loving the way those look. These here are $10. These wooden one here are $15. Okay. And I believe that planter there is $55, and those lanterns, the taller one is $40, the smaller ones are $30. Then you have these plant holders, those are $35, and these lanterns run up to $70, $30, $70. So I'm assuming the big one is $70. It's in the wrong spot. And these are $30, $40. Then you have this pillow here by Threshold. I don't know, let me see, artificial plants. It's in the wrong spot, so I don't know how much that is. It's very pretty though. And look at this, isn't that nice? These are so pretty. So they're not all in the same spot, so I'm not sure if the prices are correct. So these wreaths here, that one right there is called a glow flower wreath. I don't think I've ever seen that before. That's $45, and this one here is also $45. These red pillows, if they're in the right place, they're $30 a piece. Okay, and look at these baskets. I like these. $25, and then this one here is also $25. These throw pillows here are $20, and those are $25. The bottom ones here are $30. Very nice. So those throws with the hearts on them, those are $10, and that one too. And look at these. I'm loving that French dog, $10. Okay, so these baskets, this is 30, so this size here is 30. Okay, and then this one here, I'm loving those. Opera House. I'm not sure what the price is. That 30? I believe that says $30. I think those are so pretty. And these here, those are 35. And then these, look how pretty these are. So these are a little bit more sturdier. And they're called storage baskets. So let's see if I can find a price. $10. Aren't they pretty? And you have these. Very nice. Okay, so this one here is also Opal House. And that's $35. I like those tall ones. Let's see if I can get to a price. They call umbrella holders. I like that. So these are $35. Very pretty. So then behind me over here we have some more baskets. And then what is this? This is like a wooden tray. I don't see a price. And these cute little mugs are $3.99. And here's some sandalwood tobacco. That's so nice. See that candle? That is so nice. Some more of these throw pillows. Look at this picture here. It's a wall. Some wall art here, but I don't see a price. I'm not seeing a price on those. We have this wall decor, $15. Those are cute. So you have this decor piece right here for $20. And then this one, $20. And that comes in a pair. That's a wire basket, and that's $12.99. And there's two of them. Very nice. Some more of these baskets here along the bottom. And then you have, let's see how much this chair is. So who makes this? Threshold. It's an accent chair. And I'm not sure I'm seeing a price on that. I'm loving these lemon stems right here. So the stems. So for one of these, it's $5. I'm liking the lemons. Here's another accent chair, and over here's where they have the loose stems. So they have some more of the lemon stems. These vases are really pretty. Just don't dare lift them up because $15. I like those. Okay. Water lily, patchouli. What are these? More candles, eucalyptus, rosemary. I like these with the cork top. So these are $10 a piece. Look how beautiful these look. Isn't that nice?
Little sections here, they count these as aisles.
Those are $20. Okay, and then here are some more throw pillows. So let's go look at their wall decor. So these are $50. This whole section here, that one's $28. This one here is $28. But these here are $50. This one here is $75. This painting right here is $70. And this is $17. That one is $13. Okay, that welcome is $20. I'm liking these. So you get two and they're $25. Two pieces of wall art for $75. Very pretty. I'll just scan that for you. Some more throw pillows and some more plants. They're so pretty. I'm loving that. This is sugar birch candle. Am I reading that number upside down? That's $12.99. This plant right here is $14.99. Then you have those throw pillows. Let's see if I can get a price. Let's see. $19.99. So these throw pillows are $19.99. Those bottom ones are $19.99. Aren't they beautiful? I'm loving that wreath. Okay, so that wreath is $34.99. Oh, look at these little ones. Aren't they adorable? So this is $4.99. They're so cute. And look at this watering can. So let's see. The watering can is $14.99. That's so pretty. There's some more flowers, some more baskets in black, some candles, some more wreaths. Okay, so the wreath, $34.99. This tall plant right here is $44.99 for that one. Then you have some candles here, and those are, well, this one says cardamom and vetiver, did I say that right? $11.99. And these are a little bit bigger. I'm gonna drop that. What does that say? Let me see. These are $19.99. Very beautiful. I'm loving that. And here are some more plants and vases. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Target to look at their home decor, and I'll see you in the next video.